watching the news at 5 p.m. We got across to breaking news coming in. Government has approved the gap between two doses of Covishield. The interval has been increased to 12 to 16 weeks. Remember, this is extremely important because the government has now given the approval. Hence, all those who've taken the first jab of Covishield now need to take the next jab after 12 to 16 weeks. They will have to give it a break of at least 3 to 4 months. I want to cut across to Madhurima, who's speaking on more details on the same. And Madhurima, this has been approved by the government now.
Yes, absolutely. The government has accepted this particular suggestion which was given by the COVID working committee, and this particular suggestion of extending the gap between the two dosage of Covishield to now 12 to 16 months. This change has now come twice in the span of 3 months. Initially, it was extended to around 8 months. Now it has been increased to 12 to 16 months. This particular decision has been taken after the COVID working committee went through a lot of data, and specifically that from the United Kingdom, and then they came on to a conclusion wherein they suggested that the gap between the two dosage of Covishield now could vary from 12 to 16 weeks as prescribed. Also, this decision will help in improving the efficacy of the antibodies that are created by the two doses of the vaccine, and this is also expected that this will also give the time to augment the entire vaccination process. This will accelerate the pace of vaccination, because we saw that how Serum Institute of India was having some difficulties to meeting the demands that is out ever since this slot for age of above 18 was opened. So keeping all that in mind, this particular decision has been taken, and this has also been welcomed by the central government, the health ministry. Swesha.
Right, Madhurima, many thanks for those details.